In this video, I'll explain in detail how to replace the rear engine mount on a 2015 Peugeot 308 T9 model with a 1.6 ADI 120 horsepower engine. So let's talk about the rear engine mount. On this car, it's located right here. At first glance, it might seem like there aren't any special difficulties or tricks, and that you just need to unscrew a few bolts, but it's not quite that simple. In reality, it's a bit more complicated. To start with, to determine if this mount actually needs replacing, I recommend using a pry bar and gently rocking the mount. If it's torn or completely worn out, you'll be able to hear it. Next, which mount should you buy? On the screen, you can see the original part number. Alternative from Hutchinson, and you can see that part number on the screen as well. Now, how do we replace the mount? Take a T50 Torx bit and unscrew this bolt. You can't just pull out the mount because there's another bolt holding it in place. To remove that one, you'll need a 16mm socket. But after that, we run into another problem. Specifically, the bracket in front of the cushion prevents it from bending. This bracket is attached with 5 bolts. 3 of them are easily accessible, 1 is normal, but the last one is quite inconvenient and requires a bit of effort. However, everything unscrews fairly easily, and I would strongly recommend starting with the difficult bolt right away, because it's the only challenge. Once you've removed it, consider that you've completed 80% of the work, as all the other bolts are easily accessible, and as they say, it's unlikely anything will go wrong. Well, basically you remove the bracket itself. If needed, its part number is also displayed on your screen, and after that, the rear cushion comes out very easily from its place. A new one can be installed, and yes, an attentive viewer noticed that the cushion is in excellent condition and doesn't need replacement. I'll explain why I removed it a bit later, or more precisely, in one of the upcoming videos. The new cushion is installed in reverse order without any special issues except for that troublesome inconvenient bolt. That's about it for today. Thank you all for watching. See you next time.